good. So how much is the stove?
Walmart was like 89 bucks.
Yeah, that's cool, worth it.
They had the other one, the cheap basic model, and they're still 40, 50 bucks. So this one looks nicer, closes nice. And, hey, how was it?
It was good at first.
Oh, shit.
I got used to the point where I was able to run a little bit, but it's too much. Probably just 2 more days just walking fast.
Yeah, I just started running again. Picking up the kayak, you know, because I thought about getting a rack. You see these people coming in with the kayaks here, ba-bong, ba-bong, ba-bong. They can't even lift it. You know, it's like, I'm old, I don't want to be doing that.
Inflammable. So you can pump it up with the air. Inflammable.
Yeah, those are good. But I'm not getting any of them because those are $300, $400, $500, $600, right? You get it. You can rent one for 25 bucks.
Yep.
I just happen to pay a little bit more. They pick you up at the end.
Wow.
Van drive me back. Because I have the park pass, so I was in there anyway, hiking. Showers. They kind of saw me. They saw me doing it. Because I hike, and then I just go in like I look like this. I just rinse off. There's 2 campgrounds. In this big hiking area, I come in the back when I go in. And I can see them before they can see, because I'm in the rush. It's just jumping. And I saw the guy looking right here. I saw him looking, because I was going in. But there's water, there's running water.
So what city is that?
Silver Springs.
Silver Springs.
It's OCALA, but it's Silver Springs is the actual name. And, you know, I got my apartment. Fort Zachary's one of them. I'll go in there. Yeah, it's worth it. They'll do it. They'll do it. If it's really calm, but if it's rainy and you know where the okay, so you have the bocce ball court, and you're looking out at the wharf, and then down the street is the bathroom over there, and the shower. You can go in there. The restaurant's right on the beach.
Yeah.
Salute's the volleyball court. So you can take a shower. That's the bathroom. Free internet, public internet, right there in that parking lot.
Wow. I didn't
Pretty
know.
cool.
Yeah, that's
But
cool.
I used to have to go like, oh, I'll go to McDonald's or wherever. If you're Winn-Dixie, not that the whole place is that far, you know, but I don't even go. I go from, I got, you know, probably 3 or 4 different parking spots. If it's a weekend, there's a court, there's one street, Whitehead, Duval Street. So you park there, and you know, I've got where the wharf was, Salute's. Everybody used to, like, here's the wharf down here, and here's that restaurant. Everybody parked over here. All the vans, the Rummies, shit hanging off, right? Sprinters, big everything. Well, the cops started hassling. Oh, you can't do that. You can't park here. Who made that? The bathroom. You can't park here. She stalked me. Now, she looked over at me. I'm all, gave her the nod. I'm all, what up? Can't talk no more shit, can you? I didn't say anything, but, you know.
So now at Key West, the cops don't hustle anymore.
They can't. They would want to, because all the, rich